Hey there, gents. Looking to up your game in the bedroom? Stick around because I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs that'll help you unlock better performance. First up, let's talk about red Korean ginseng. This isn't your average herb. Red Korean ginseng has been shown to increase blood flow to the penis, potentially improving sexual function. In fact, 6 of 7 clinical trials found it more effective than a placebo. Most studies used a 600 milligrams dose 3 times a day, so if you decide to give it a go, make sure you're getting the real deal. And remember, don't confuse it with Asian or American ginseng. Next, let's get physical with some pelvic floor exercises. You know those muscles that help you hold in urine? Strengthening them can work wonders for your erectile function. A study in the UK found that 75% of men saw improvements after just 3 months of pelvic floor exercises. Here's how you do it. Contract your muscles as if you're trying to avoid passing gas. Hold for 10 seconds, and then relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this 3 times lying down, 3 times sitting, and 3 times standing, twice a day. Now let's talk about pills. Medications like Viagra, Cialis, and Levitra boost nitric oxide availability, sending more blood to the penis. But they're not all the same. Viagra and Levitra work for about 4 hours, while Cialis can last up to 48 hours. Talk to your doctor to find out which one is best for you, and keep an eye out for Staxin, a new version of Levitra that dissolves on your tongue for quicker action. If you're in your 40s and experiencing both ED and low libido, it might be time to consider testosterone testing. Low testosterone can be a culprit, but most ED cases have other causes. If you're concerned, get tested early in the morning when testosterone levels are highest. And whatever you do, avoid buying testosterone products online without a doctor's approval. Too much testosterone can actually shut down your body's natural production. Lastly, if other treatments fail, there's always the option of penile implants. This 90-minute outpatient procedure involves implanting expandable chambers in the penis. With a few squeezes of a small saline pump in the scrotum, you're good to go. Devices have become more reliable over the years, and most men are happy with the results. Plus, insurance often covers the procedure. So there you have it, folks. A few tips to help you enhance your performance and confidence. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy,